धर्म हेत साका जिन किया, शीस दिया पर सिर न दिया. The martyrdom of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji is unique in the word of the protection of religious faith of others. Tilk janju rakha praptaka, kino badu kalu meh saka. In fact, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji sacrificed his life for the protection of faith of Hindus who were being converted into Islam forcible. Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji was the youngest son of Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji. He was a trained rider and a marksman and showed great feats of swordsmanship in the battles. At the age of 14, he was known as Tegh Bahadur, a hero of sword. Guru Har Krishan Ji pointed out before his demise that the Baba would found at Bakala for claiming the Gaddi of Guru Nanak. As many as 22 importers proclaimed themselves at the Guru in the village. Makhan Shah Lubana prayed to Guru Nanak Dev Ji that his sinking ship may be saved and he would offer 500 golden coins. His ship was saved, and when he came to Bakala to offer 500 golden coins, he found 22 claimants of Guru Gaddi and could not find the Guru Nanak. True Guru Nanak. He started offering 5 golden coins to each of them, but Guru Tegh Bahadur remarked that his ship was saved, and when he came to Bakala to offer 500 golden coins, he found 22 claimants of Guru Gaddi and could not find the true Guru Nanak. He started offering 5 golden coins to each of them, but Guru Tegh Bahadur remarked that you have come down from 500 golden coins to 5 gold coins. On hearing this, Makhan Shah on the midst of the crowd exclaimed with spiritual bliss, Guru Lado Re, Guru Lado Re. The Kashmiri Pandit led by Kirpa Ram in their great distress came to Anandpur Sahib and expressed their suffering from conversion to Islam. On hearing this, Guru Ji remarked that the sacrifice of a holy soul could save this. On hearing this, Guruji remarked that the sacrifice of a holy soul could save this. His child Gobind, who was only 9 at that time, said, Father, you are the holiest person for this sacrifice. These courageous words and holy vision of the child made him to be nominated as the 10th Guru by his father. After this, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji went to Delhi and challenged the tyranny of Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb asked the Guru to make a choice between Islam and death. The emperor subjected the Guru to various tortures, but the Guru remained firm and calm on those trials. At the end of Guruji was beheaded at Chandni Chowk. Thikar for Dalis Sir, Prapur Kiya Pyan, Tegh Bahadur सी किरिया करही न किन्हू आन. तेग बहादुर के चलत पयो जगत को शोक, है सब जग पयो, जय 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 सुरलोक.